Frustrated with the Outlook VBA Library DLL pop-up blocking Microsoft Outlook VBA support? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Outlook VBA Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Outlook VBA Library, the Outlook Visual Basic for Applications VBA engine. It facilitates the localized execution of macros within Microsoft Outlook. It bridges the localized unmanaged COM interface to the localized VBA editor, allowing for automated localized email processing. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. A damaged or incomplete Microsoft Outlook VBA support installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Outlook VBA Support to restore required files such as Outlook VBA Library DLL to the application directory. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Outlook VBA library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Outlook VBA Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry clutter or Outlook VBA library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Outlook VBA library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.